The Honor Magic 9 series is officially set to launch in China on September 28, 2026. Honor already teased a first image of their RE camera redesign in their next Magic flagship. The most striking visual update is the rear camera module, which moves from the traditional center position to the upper left center corner. The lineup is expected to include 3 models: the standard Magic 9, Magic 9 Pro, and Magic 9 Pro Max. The series is tipped to be among the first smartphones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro flagship platform. The series may include dual 200-megapixel cameras and Honor's in-house imaging chip. The standard Magic 9 will adopt a compact 6.36-inch LTPS OLED flat screen. The Honor Magic 9 is tipped to feature an 8,000 mAh battery with wireless charging support. The phones are also expected to introduce a new software experience focused on more advanced AI interactions. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.